earnings season is still going on, and this used to be the week of some of the big tech juggernauts. It still is the week of the big tech juggernauts, but they might not be so juggernaut-y right now. Had a little bit of pullback in some of those semiconductors, so we're going to take a look and see what the charts are looking like now, because it has changed since the last time I brought these to you. So let's jump right in. First one out of the gate is Cisco. Now this one has been pretty consistent. It's been one of the more boring, should I say, quote unquote, boring tech stocks. But as you can see, they've meet or beat nearly just every quarter since 2015, since our data began. So this is a great chart. They got a great track record, and people are hanging out in this stock with all the other growth names taking a dive. Cisco, not so much. So we'll see if this earnings report lives up to expectations and can boost these shares maybe to new highs here, but this is one to watch. Then we're going to go to the Chinese gaming side. This is NetEase. It has a pretty good track record, but recently did have those two misses thrown in there. But nobody's really caring about the Chinese stock track record at the moment. All of them are just really pulling back. This could be a buying opportunity in some of these names, but this is one on the gaming side and internet side that a lot of people are going to be watching. Then we're going to go to the one that I would consider the beast, the juggernaut, Nvidia. Didn't think anything could slow it down, but finally something has. It only just had that one miss back in 2015. It looks all lonely out there. Otherwise, it's, had some huge beats in there over the last couple of years. But the shares have finally pulled back as everybody is concerned about the cycle with the semiconductors and just these big growth stocks in general. So these all got pretty beaten up in the month of October, and we'll see if it can gain some of its momentum back here, or what it's going to say its outlook is going into 2019. So this is a key quarter for Nvidia. And on the other side, also similar story, Applied Materials. It's got even a better track record, no misses going back 5 years. So just a great consistent job of meeting or beating on those estimates. But shares really off big as everybody's cashing in their chips here, thinking that the cycle is happening and waiting on the sidelines. So we'll see what happens with this earnings report. And then I'm going to finish up with another Chinese stock, China Lodging, which I just discovered has now changed its name to Huazhu. I'm probably mispronouncing that. No one should be surprised. I'm bad at the names always, but they too have a really great track record of beating. We have missing data there in the middle there. That could be because we didn't have enough analyst estimates on it. But another big beat just last quarter, but just like NetEase, shares well off their highs because of what's happening with the Chinese stock market and concerns about a China slowdown. So they're on the lodging side, the hotels, and if you see the Chinese consumer pulling back, you could see it in their earnings, basically. So this is definitely one to watch to kind of get a gauge on what's happening with the Chinese economy. So as you can see, a lot of big names still reporting this week. You don't want to miss a single one. We're bringing them to you all week long here on Zacks.com. I have dozens of earnings charts I'm going to be tweeting out, and a lot of these videos that are going this week and next week. We're still going to get some more earnings in. I'll be covering all the retailers that are reporting and whoever else, the last end of the season stragglers. So you don't want to miss a single video or any of the tweets. Be sure to tune in on Zacks.com, on YouTube, and on Twitter to get everything about this earnings season. And I'll see you again next time.